What is the value of the expression 12 plus 8 divided by 4 times open parenthesis 5 minus 3 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Most people get this question wrong on their first try. Drop your answer in the comments and let's see who is smarter than the rest. Okay, let's take a closer look and solve it together. Most people, when solving this question, first go straight to 12 plus 8 and rewrite this expression as 20 divided by 4 times 5 minus 3 inside the parentheses. Then they go for the division between 20 and 4 and simplify this expression to 5 times 5 minus 3 inside the parentheses. In the next step, they go for the expression inside the parentheses and rewrite this expression as 5 times 2, which finally gives them the answer 10. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option C is the correct answer to this question. But it's not the correct answer. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Okay, as you can see in this expression, from left to right, first we have an addition sign, then a division, then a multiplication, and finally parentheses. We must start with the parentheses because they have a higher priority than the other operations. So we can write this expression as 12 plus 8 divided by 4 times 2. Now it's time for multiplication and division, which I have highlighted in yellow. However, it's very important to remember that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we start with the division between 8 and 4 and rewrite this expression as 12 plus 2 times 2. In the next step, we do the multiplication between 2 and 2 and simplifying the expression to 12 plus 4, which finally gives us the answer 16. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment, and to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.